our dear Executive Minister, Brother Eduardo V. Manalo, and to our CFO Coordinator, Brother Angelo Eranio V. Manalo, and to all the brethren all over the world, we would like to greet you po.
Happy 110th anniversary! Praise be unto God!
To our dear Executive Minister of the Church, Brother Eduardo V. Manalo, to our CFO Coordinator of the Church, Brother Angelo Eranio V. Manalo, and to all the brethren all over the world, with utmost thanks to our Father and to our Lord Jesus Christ, would like to greet you po. Happy 110th anniversary po!